Are you ready for a new musical experience? Then meet the brand new wireless headphones TBI PowerPro, equipped in accordance with the latest trends in the music industry and just getting into the rhythm of the modern world. Get access to spacious, detailed, and dynamic sound that will make you rediscover your music library. Designed for really high-end audio performance with a frequency response range of 50 Hz to 20 kHz, these headphones deliver wonderful harmony of well-rounded, heavy bass and crystal clear highs. The calling card of these headphones is the outstanding noise cancellation system. Their structure creates an effective barrier to block high-frequency sound waves from the outside. The Bluetooth 5.0 has its best performing super stable connection with a range of 30 meters. The earphones also feature an intelligent auto connection to Android and iOS devices, so you only have to press the connect button without desperately choosing among different connectivity modes. Adopt true wireless technology, enjoy sports, travel, and walks with your favorite music without boundaries. The accelerated charging mode can be organized in two ways, by charging in 1 hour or using the provided power box in 2 hours. The extra 950 milliamp charging box has a battery digital display that shows the battery level. You are always up to date on charging status. Ergonomic, lightweight design with detachable silicone ear hooks provide comfortable wearing without the risk of losing the headphones. The performance in terms of battery life is also very impressive. Ultra-long working time is provided by a 110 milliamp battery that guarantees up to 10 hours of continuous playback and conversations, and about 40 hours in standby mode. Discover new musical peaks and find out what real live super stereo sound is with new headphones from TBI Pro. This is the very sound that will shake your inner music lover with every beat and perfectly match your rhythm.